What's up? Today I'm here with Asteria here once more and I'm gonna see what box here above. You guys see this box? We have inches working with today. Yeah, but it's the same packaging as last time. And I even got a drawstring bag with stuff in there. So before I go into the box, let's see what's in the drawstring bag. Ooh, it's just a bunch of scarves. Okay. Oh, and I also got this like head tie. You know, you can tie this down on the lace. Oh, I got some nice big scarves. I got 3 of them. This is too cute. These look so good. You know, sometimes you just want to wrap up the hair, get it out of your face, especially when the hair long. You know, this is nice. I have some scarves similar to this already. Oh, these are nice. So yeah, I'm happy for these. Now we're going to finally see what's inside the box, and it has all their contact, social media and everything listed up here. So we have the hair right here. Then I got a pair of lashes. I got an extra elastic band. I also got an information card. And I got a wig cap. This is 30 inches long. It's a medium cap size. And it's 250% in density. This right here is some gorgeous curly hair. And it's like, it's not too tight curly. Exactly what I wanted. It's nice and thick right to the tip. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous, so beautiful. So it's pre-plucked, but I'm definitely going to go in and pluck this somewhere. I need it to be very nice with the graduation. Some time ago I got a 30-inch curly hair similar to this, and I didn't pluck it much because I didn't care to do that at the time. But today I'm definitely doing that with this. I love this, the fullness and everything. Gorgeous. I'm going to put the specific link to this wig, the specifications, all of that in the description box, so go ahead, check that out. Okay, one thing I forgot to show you guys, I got this cute bonnet. It is a leopard print bonnet. I love getting me some bonnets. It's perfect for all this hair as well, so I'm happy with that. I can add that to my little collection. So now I'm just gonna go in and start using my Got2b to, you know, put this down and stuff. I'm so excited for, oh yeah, and I went in and I already plucked it and stuff. So yeah, it's not too dense in the front, so let's go.
We've lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry, I'm not looking for the one. No, I just wanna have some fun, so let's get drunk tonight. How we feel, but for now I won't give it all away, 'cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Doesn't wanna feel. Doesn't wanna fall in love. May not see eye to eye, but we can be chill for just this moment. So turn out the lights and let's make a deal to just enjoy it. I'm not thinking about forever. I won't care if we don't end up together. Let's get high tonight, 'cause how we feel, yeah. But for now I won't give it all away, 'cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love.
So basically I'm all done with, you know, laying the edges and stuff. Okay guys, so I really feel like I don't want to even do a parting. I just love the whole pullback vibe of the wig today. It's been a while since I've used my mousse and water.
Just enjoy it. I'm not thinking about forever. I won't care if we don't end up together. Let's get high tonight.
I'm all done with the wig. It's so nice. The curls, I like how it's not like extremely tight, because what I realize is like when you're wearing like curly hair this length, curly textures that are this length, the tighter the curl, the harder it's going to be to manage. So the looser it is, it's way easier for you to just, you know, work with and style. And when it gets dry, it doesn't get as, it's not as easy, it's not as hard to detangle as opposed to like a really tight curly texture. That yeah, so I love this, the loose curly vibe. It's really nice. It goes all the way down to my hips. It's 30 inches long and is, I feel like it's very much true to length, because I feel like if this should be straightened, it would be a little longer than 30 inches. So I love that. I love that. I just did a whole pullback thing. I didn't do any parting. It is so nice. I feel like it's perfect if you want to do like a bikini shoot, you want to go on a beach, you want to go by a pool, that wet look. Perfect. I love this Asteria here. I'm all for this perfect vacation wig. I love saying that about curly textures. I don't know, I just give me like, you should just go somewhere. I'm going to put all the specifications of this wig once more in my description box, so go ahead, check that out. Asteria here, thank you again for this bomb wig. I'm so happy. I can't wait to go ahead and wear this out. It's too gorgeous. It's like so nice. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. That is it for today's wig look. Let me know if you like it. If you do, go ahead and give this video a thumb up, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and yeah, just go make up on yourself. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.